number systems, Boolean algebra, and switching functions. In this unit 1, we'll talk about, otherwise we will learn all these things. Let's begin with the first topic. The first topic is number systems. First topic in the first unit is number systems. Now, why we need number systems? As we already explained, digital circuits, they make use of binary number system like ones and zeros, whereas we use other system, decimal system. If you want to count, how to count something, let's say there is a basket of apples and we want to count them. How to carry out the counting? Maybe we can use our fingers, like for the first apple 1, second apple 2, third apple 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Like, right? Are you following?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now the question is, if you can use your fingers to count the apples in the basket or to count any items, right? And apples are still there, and our we have used all our fingers. We have used all our 10 fingers. And what to do next? There are still apples remaining for counting. There are more apples, more than 10, and we have used all our 10 fingers. Now the question is, how to count the apples? But the question is, right, we have used all our 10 fingers. There is some problem with the video. I'm stopping the video. Right? Now, you have any idea? Right? There are more apples and we have used all our 10 fingers. Fingers are short. Can you say something? How to continue counting? Yes? Okay. See, the idea is this. Now, if there are more than 10 apples, okay, then we can do counting like this. Let's say first apple 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and we can count 10 apples with the 10 fingers, right? And there are more than 10 apples. Okay, there is one answer from you, adding or subtraction. Let's see. What we can do is, I put a box, something like this, a box, and I add one stone into the box. It is a stone, it is a box. This one stone indicates I have used all the fingers one time. There are 10 fingers. If your fingers are not sufficient, not enough to count all the apples, after counting 10 apples, what I will do is, I will add one stone into the box here. This stone indicates, okay, I have used all the 10 fingers one time. This one stone here in the box indicates I have used all the 10 fingers one time. And I will continue to use the same fingers again, second time, okay? Because there is one stone here, means I have used all the fingers one time. I can reuse the same fingers, like for the 11th apple, this finger, for this next apple, this finger, and so on, so on. Let's say your counting is going on, okay, counting is going on, and you are on the finger 3, okay, in which finger? Let's say you are on the finger 3. You are on the finger 3, right? You are on the finger 3. And if I ask you, what is the count now? What will you say? You have to look into the box. How many stones are there? There is one stone. There is one stone here. That one stone, what is this? What this stone is indicating? I have used all the 10 fingers one time, and your count is on the third finger. Means since there is one stone, this is one stone indicates what? I have used all the fingers one time. How many fingers are there? 10 fingers. Let's say, okay, one stone, 1 into, I have used this one stone indicates I have used all the fingers. How many fingers are there? 10 fingers, right? I have used all the fingers 10 times, one time. All the fingers means 10, one time means 1 into 10. Now your counting is on which finger? 3 plus 3. So total count is 13. Current right now your count is 13. Is it clear? Please respond. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now you are there are more apples and you are continuing your counting. Let's say at certain point, okay, I'm stopping you and I'm asking you to tell me the count of the apples. To tell me the count of the apples. At that time, when I stopped you, you are counting. Your counting is on the finger 7. Let's say you are counting on the finger 7. Let's say, and there are 2 stones in the box. How many stones are there in the box? 2 stones, and you are adding stone each time when you use up all the fingers. Each time you use all the fingers, you add 1 stone into the box. Every time you use all the fingers from 1 to 10, all the fingers, you add 1 stone into the box. That is how you can reuse all the fingers. When I ask you what is the count at the time, how many stones are there in the box? 2 stones. There are 2 stones, and you are on the finger, which finger? 7. Now let's see, what is the count total? How many apples you have counted so far till now? Now this is how you should calculate it. This is how you should calculate it. Since there are 2 stones, each stone indicate, what is this stone indicates? This stone indicates I have used all the 10 fingers one time, and there is one more stone. So there are 2 stones, means this stone indicates this stone has come here because we have used all the 10 fingers one time. There is one more stone. This stone also have come here, also has come here because we have used all the 10 fingers again. So since there are 2 stones, we have used all the fingers how many times? Can you answer? Since there are 2 stones, what does it mean? It means we must have used all the fingers how many times?
2 times.
All the fingers. All the fingers means how many fingers are there? 10 fingers. 2 stones, 2 into all the fingers means 10 fingers. Plus currently your count is you are on which finger? 7. So totally how many apples you have counted? 27. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You have let me ask a question and answer this question. There are 5 stones like this in the box. At the time when I ask you what is the count, at the time you are on finger 9. How many stones in the box? 5 stones in the box.
59, sir.
Very good. 59. At the time you have counted 59 apples. Are you following? Like this we can carry out the counting by using fingers. If your count is exceeding your fingers, then you can reuse your fingers by adding stones into the box, like something like this. Is it right? This is some understanding or idea how to count numbers. Now let's see decimal system. This is the system that we use, decimal system. Right? And why it is called decimal system? Because there are 10 different symbols that are used to that are used in the counting process. Okay, or if there is any number that may use any of these 10 numbers. See how many, what are the symbols? Decimal system contains how many symbols? 10 different symbols like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, let's we have not yet given weights to these symbols. There are just, these are just symbols. Let's see, let's say, okay, how many symbols are there? 10 symbols. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 1 to 9, 9 and 0. So totally there are 10 different symbols. Okay, in decimal system there are 10 different symbols. By using these symbols we can we can count, or we can make numbers. Okay, and this is called, this is a terminology, base. Base is one terminology in the number system. Base, it is also called radix. And in the decimal system, base of the decimal system is 10, or radix is 10. This 10 is nothing but number of symbols that are present in the system. In the decimal system, how many numbers are present? 10 different numbers, 1 to 9 including 0. So totally there are 10 symbols. So base of the decimal system is 10, right? Base of the decimal system is 10. Now see, let's see how to count. And we know 1, 0 is nothing, 1 is 1, and 2 has a weight 2. 2 is twice as large as 1. 3 is thrice as large as 1. 4 is 4 times as large as 1. Okay, that's how we know these numbers. Yes or no? Is it right? Right, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. How big is 7 compared to 1? 7 is 7 times as large as 1. 9 is 9 times as large as 1. Or 3 is 1 unit higher than 2. 4 is 1 unit higher in weight than 3. 5 is 1 unit higher in weight as 4. Right? You pretend, otherwise you forget this weights for moment. Just for now, these symbols have no weight. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9. These are just symbols. Are you following? These are just symbols without any weight. Means 9 is equally equal in weight as 8, as 7, as any other number in the decimal system. Okay, just remove weights for these numbers. Now all of these symbols have equal weight. Okay, let's see. Now if that is the case, how do you count? How do you carry out the counting? 0. Okay, I will start with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These symbols are like fingers. These symbols are like fingers. Now first finger, second finger, third, and so on, so on. Now 0 to 9. After using up all the symbols, for the first apple, I will label the first apple with 0. I will count the second apple with 1, and then 2, and the next apple with 3, and the next apple with 4, and the next apple with 5, next apple with 6, next apple with 7, next apple with 8, next apple with 9. So we have used all the symbols. There is no other symbol in this system to count for the next apple. What I have to do? Tell me what I have to do. What can be done? Once you use all the symbols one time, still there are items to be counted. What can be done? We reuse the same symbols. Okay, we reuse the same symbols. Like how we kept one stone in the box. After keeping one stone in the box, we can reuse the same symbols. We are also doing the same thing here. Instead of stones, we are using one symbol, one out of this 10 symbols, and I'm keeping one outside here, and I'm reusing all the symbols. What are the symbols present in the decimal system? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. When you used all the symbols, we reuse again all the symbols again, like 1 0, 1 1, 1 2, 1 3, 1 4, 1 5, 1 6, 1 7, 1 8, 1 9. What is this first? What is this digit here? 1. Why we have added 1 here? This 1 says, what this 1 says? I have used all the symbols one time. I have used all the symbols one time. That's what this 1 indicates. Okay. Now let's see, after 18, what comes? 19. After 19, what comes? Again, we have used all the symbols one time. We have used all the symbols one time. This is the second time. Now we have to reuse the name. We have to reuse the same symbols, right? Now what we do is we write 2 here. Now what this 2 indicates? 2 0, 2 1, 2 2, and so on, so on. What is this 2 indicates? This 2 indicates we have used all the symbols 2 times. Is it clear? Please, all of you, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, are you following?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now what this 2 indicates? We have used all the symbols 2 times. Okay, all the symbols means how many symbols are there? 10 symbols. We have used all the symbols. Those 10 symbols 2 times means 2 into 10. Plus you are counting, you are on 2. So 2 plus 20 plus 2 is 22. Like that, the counting takes place, right? Now let's see some examples. Now see here. Now from 0 to 9, we have used all this. How many symbols are there from 0 to 9? 10. Again, from 0 to 9, there are 10 more symbols. Since we have used all the symbols one time, we add 1 next left to it. This 1 signifies we have used all the 10 symbols one time. And see, here you have used one time. Again, we reused all the symbols. See here, all the symbols second time. Okay, now we add 2 here. What this 2 indicates? We have already used all the symbols 2 times. Again, you are reusing them third time. Are you following? Like this. Now let's give weight to these numbers. Okay, weight means 0 is nothing. 0, what is the weight of 0? Nothing. Okay, and you should not use 0 in the counting process. You should not start counting with 0. Okay, you should start with 1. Means if there is 1 apple, you count it with 1. Second apple, 2. Third apple, 3. Fourth apple, 4. Fifth apple, 5. Sixth apple is 6. Seventh apple is 7. Eighth apple is 8. Ninth apple is 9, like that. Okay. After ninth apple, if second apple comes, after ninth apple, if next apple comes, then we have to count that with 10. Next apple, 1 1. Next apple, 1 2. Next apple, 1 3, like that. Let's say 1 3. What this 1 3 means? 1 3 means we have used all the symbols one time. All the symbols one time means 10 symbols. 1 into 10 means 10 plus your current counting is 3. Okay, current symbol counting is 3. 10 plus 3 is 13. Likewise, we count the numbers. And here we have given some examples. Now let's see, what is this 35? What is the 35? How to understand the number 35 in the decimal system? Okay, how to understand the number 35 in the decimal system? What this 3 indicates? Okay, what this 3 indicates? We have used all the symbols in the decimal system 3 times. How many symbols are there in the decimal system? 10. So we have this 3 is saying us, 3 is telling us we have used all the symbols 3 times. So 3 into 10. How many symbols are there? 10 symbols. 3 into 10 plus current counting is with what symbol? 5. So 3 into 10, 30 plus currently we are on which symbol in the counting process? 5. So totally we have counted how many apples? 35. That's how we have to understand this 35. 35 means this 3 means we have used all the symbols 3 times. 3 into 10, since there are 10 symbols, 30. Currently we are on count 5, symbol 5. So 35. And take another example. Take another example, 147. 147. Now how do you understand 147? 147 means after 99, let's say what number comes after 99? We write 100. Yes or no? What this third digit 1 represent? Anyone? What this third digit 1 represents? First digit, second digit, third digit. Huh? Tell me what this 1 indicates. This 1 indicates we have used all the symbols how many times? 100 times. That's why we have written 1 means this 1 indicates we have used all the symbols. All the symbols means 10, those 10 symbols. All the symbols how many times? 100 times. And this 4 indicates all the symbols 10 times. And this 7 indicates just 1. Okay, this is current counting. Our current counting is on symbol 7. Let's say this 1 tells us we have used all the symbols how many times? 100 times. So 1 into 100 equal to 100. Okay, and what this 4 tells us, we have used all the symbols 10 times. So I mean not 10 times, 4 times. What this 4 tells us, we have used all the 10 symbols 4 times. 4 into 10 symbols, 40. And 7 means currently we are on the symbol 7. 7 into 1 equal to 7. So finally what is the answer? 147. 100 plus means we have used all the symbols 1 time. All the symbols 100 times. This 1. And we have used all the symbols 4 into 10 times 40. Currently we are on the symbol 7. So what is the number 147? 100 plus 40 plus 7. That is how we should understand numbers. Is it clear? Hello, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
That is how decimal system functions. Next we will see why it is called decimal system, since we use 10 different symbols or 10 different numbers to carry out the counting, right? Or to form any number. Next one is octal system. Now what is this word octal? Tell us. Octal means the dictionary meaning of octal is 8, right? Octal system means it is the system in which there are 8 different symbols for carrying out the counting process. See, the symbols present in octal system are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Totally how many symbols or numbers are there in octal system? 1 to 7 means 7, 0. So there are totally 8 numbers present in octal system. Okay, that's why the base of this octal system is 8. Why it is 8? Why it is 8? There are 8 different numbers present in the octal system. Means if you form any number, that number will contain combination of these numbers. Okay, combination of these digits. There are 8 digits, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 symbols. Okay, now let's see and how to count in octal system. How to count in octal system? Let's see. First we begin with 0, symbol 0 for the first apple. For the next apple 1, for the next apple 2, for the next apple 3, for the next apple 4, for the next apple 5, for the next apple 6, for the next apple 7. Now what is the next count? Do you get 8? No, because that 8 symbol 8 is not present in the octal system. So after using up all the symbols one time, what we do is we add this 1 and then we reuse the same symbols again. 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6, 1, 7. And now second time also we have used all the symbols. Second time also again. For now, if you want to continue counting, what we have to do is we add 2 here, 2 0 2 1 2 2. Now what is this 2 1? To understand this number 2 1, we have used all the symbols twice, and currently the counting is on the symbol 1. Currently the counting is on the number 1. Or how do you understand this 1 4? Okay, what is first the second digit indicates, signifies? We have used all the symbols one time, and currently the counting is on which symbol, which number? 4. Okay, we have used all the symbols one time. All the symbols means how many symbols are there in the octal system? 8. So we have used all the 8 symbols one time. So 8 plus, currently counting is on 4. 8 plus 4 is 12. So 14 in octal system is equivalent to 12 in decimal. Okay, otherwise let's understand these things. 17 is the number in octal system. Okay, you are counting apples and you have counted that result is 17, right? 17. Now convert that 17 into decimal system. Is it right? Is it okay? Means we are counting apples. Are you following? We are counting apples, and by using octal system. For the first apple, second apple, third apple, and so on, so on. We are counting using octal system, and the number, the count is 17. Okay, and you have counted all the apples, and at the end you have seen what is the resultant number that you have come up with? 17. Now the question is, if you use this decimal system, okay, if you use this decimal system and if you use decimal system and count the same basket of apples, okay, now what is the result? Is it 17 or less than 17? Can you answer this? Please, all of you answer this. We have a basket of apples, and we have used octal system to count the apples. Okay, and you completed counting and finally got the number 17. Okay, finally got the number 17. Okay, you got the number 17, right? Now how do you carry out the counting? This is how you do the counting. This is how you do the counting. 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. After 7 there is no 8 in octal system, so we add 1. This 1 indicates we have used all the 8 symbols one time. 1 0 1 1 1 2 and so on, so on. Like that you have counted. Finally the count is 17. You have done counting in octal system. Now the question is, if you use decimal system that we have discussed earlier to count the same number of apples which are present in the basket, what would be the resultant count? If you use decimal system to count the same number of apples, what would be the resultant count? Is it 17 or something less than that, or higher than that? Please answer this.
Less.
Very good. It will not be same as 17, right? Because we have more symbols in decimal system than in octal system, so the resultant number will be less. Now how to calculate it? Now what this 17 tells us, this 17 is in decimal or octal? Octal, is it right? Are you following? Now this 1 means what? We have used all the symbols in octal system one time. How many symbols are there in octal system? 8 symbols. So we have used all the symbols one time. 1 into 8, that is 8. And currently you are on which count, which symbol? 7. So 7 is 15. Yes or no? So if you use decimal system to count number of apples, what would be the answer? 15. Is it right? Okay, do you agree, or
Yes, sir.
Take another example. There is a basket of apples and you have used octal system to count the number of apples. Okay, and we got the number to be 146. We got the number to be 146. Now the question is, use the decimal system to count the same basket of apples. Okay, use the decimal system to count the same number of apples. Now what would be the resultant answer? We are sure the resultant number will be certainly less than 146. Okay, now let's see how to get the answer. See, 146, if second digit is, we have used all the symbols 8 times. Now if there is a third digit, what it indicates? Tell me, can you guess, or anyone can tell me what this third digit tells us? Means how many times we have
8
used
square.
all the symbols in the octal system. If there is a third digit, what the third digit tells us? We have used all the
8
symbols in the
square.
octal system how many times?
8 square, sir.
Very good. 8 square. 8 square means 60. 8 square is 64, right? Means this one tells us we have used one time all the symbols 64. All the symbol we have used all the symbols 64 times. This one tells us, right? So 1 into 64. Keep it aside. What about this 4 tells us we have used all the symbols in octal system how many times? 8 times.
8 times.
Very good. So we have used all the symbols. 8. All the symbols means 8 symbols. 8 symbols 4 times. Yes or no? Is it right? We have used all the symbols 4 times. All the symbols means 8 into 4 times. We have used, this one tells us we have used all the symbols 64 times. 1 into 64, 64. 4 into 8 is 32. And what is the 6? We are on the symbol 6. 6 into 1. Okay, 6. So totally what is the answer? 4 plus 2, 102. So 102 is the answer. This is about octal systems. Is it okay? You like this type of explanation, or you want me to change to something else? Is it okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, thank you. Next, take up the next system. It is hexadecimal system. Do you see this hexadecimal system? Hexadecimal system. Hexadecimal, and we have these symbols. Hexadecimal means, hexa means 6, decimal means 10. In hexadecimal systems, we have 16 different symbols which can be used in the counting process. Okay, let's see what are those symbols. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are all symbols which are also used in decimal system, right? From 0 to 7, these are symbols used in octal system, right? After 9, we have other symbols like A, B, C, D, E, F. See, these are all weighted symbols. Of course, decimal symbols are also weighted. Octal and hexadecimal all are weighted symbols. Weighted symbols means what? 0 means nothing. 1 means 1 unit higher than 0. 2 means 2 units higher than 1. 3 means 3 units higher than 1, or 1 unit higher than 2. What about 5? 5 is 1 unit higher than 4. Okay, like that. These are weighted symbols. Okay. What is the weight for 9? What is the weight for the symbol 9? 9. What about the weight for symbol A? 10. It is equivalent to 10 in decimal. Is it clear? The symbol A has a weight equal to 10. Okay. 9, the symbol 9 has the weight equal to 9. The symbol 8 has the weight equal to 8. The symbol 7 has the weight equal to 7. In the same way, the symbol A has the weight 10 in decimal. The symbol B has the weight 11 in decimal. The symbol C has the weight 12. C is nothing but, C in hexadecimal system is nothing but 12. Okay. It is like if your hand is having 16 fingers instead of 10, then you would normally choose hexadecimal system. Okay. But we don't have we don't have extra 6 fingers. Instead, what we are doing is we are using some alphabets: A, B, C, D, E, F. So totally how many symbols are there in hexadecimal system? 16 symbols. What are they? 0 to 9. 0 to 9 means totally 10. A 11, 12, A, B, C, D, E, F. 0 to 9 means 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. Totally there are 16 different symbols in the hexadecimal system. That's why its base is 16.